Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone data entry, and it is a part-time. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I do, as I always suggest, you do your own research on the company. Maybe come to this Glassdoor page, read some reviews, do a little bit of Googling before giving them your information. The company is Data Essential. They only have 31 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews that they do have, they come in at a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a part-time data entry specialist. It says this is a fully remote. This is for the United States only. Again, it is listed as a part-time, but they're looking for somebody who'll work 25 hours per week doing data entry for them. They're looking for you to perform accurate and efficient data entry tasks, including manually entering, verifying, and updating data in their system. You'll enhance, review, and validate data to make sure it is complete, accurate, and consistent, making any necessary corrections to anything that has errors as required. You're going to match the data in the internal database from several different data sources. You'll assist with the data cleaning and quality control processes to make sure that the data integrity is kept up. You'll also collaborate internally with team members as needed. Now, best thing about this job is no experience and no degree is required. That's right, no experience. They're looking for a high school diploma or GED, no college degree, someone who has great attention to detail, who can learn new systems quickly, someone who has great organizational skills, great communication skills, and has a basic knowledge of Microsoft Office suites and Google Drives, and someone who is not afraid to ask questions. And of course, you have to have access to your own Wi-Fi or high-speed internet. That is it. No data entry experience, no customer service experience, no actual work experience is required. Now, unfortunately for this job, they did not list pay in the job description. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. I simply just share the jobs that I find online. I don't actually work for any of these companies, and so I don't have any additional information. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.